What's up everyone, this is MoTutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Chrome fail to load extension error that you may be getting on your Windows 10 or 11 device. Alright, so let's get right into this. So there's a few ways to fix this, and I'm going to show you literally all of them the easiest way possible. So the first thing is, once you're in this basically section where the extensions are, you could also press Chrome / extensions to basically get here. The first thing you should do, if let's say AdBlock isn't working, right, or whatever the extension was where you're getting this error, you can just straight up uncheck this and then literally check it back on. Basically turn it off and turn it back on, and usually this resolves a lot of these errors. So in general, I would actually highly recommend you to basically go down that route and try that first and foremost. If that doesn't work for you, the next thing is you can try to actually turn on developer mode. This kind of gives you a certain more additional accesses where these errors then do not happen. So I would recommend you to kind of go down that route as well. The final thing to do is literally just straight up delete it, basically remove, go back into the Chrome extension store and download it, and that's basically it. Once you guys do these steps, you guys should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please press up, on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm tutorials out. Peace.